In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a brand new Facebook account in 2021 on your mobile phone. This works on Android and iOS. So simply want to download the Facebook app, and then right there you'll see create your new Facebook account. So if you click on that button, they will pretty much show you step by step what you need to do. So first of all, click next right there. You can then choose to do this or not. And then next up, all you need to do is simply enter your first name and your last name. So I'm just going to create a random account for now. There we go. Click next. Then come up with your birthday. I'm also going to do this at random, but you of course want to choose your actual birth date. And then right there, choose your gender. You can then sign up with your email. So what you can do is simply type in an email address, which I'll do right now. Then you want to come up with a password. And by doing all of that, you've just created a brand new Facebook account. So if this simple video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one.